Hi guys, today we'll be unboxing, setting up and reviewing the new Google Nest Hub. So I got this in charcoal color, which is black color. I'll leave links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this or you want to learn more about this. So this is by Google and this is called the Nest Hub. And over here, this is how the device looks like. So before getting started, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't did it yet, as my channel is all about tech reviews. And after watching this video, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. But if you do not like the video, hit the thumbs down button twice. So let's get started by unboxing the plastic, and I will show you how it's being set up into Google Home app and all what it can do. Right, so I've removed the packaging, and now let's take a brief glance at the box. So this shows how the device looks like. Over here, it just shows, you can see your personalized events in Google Calendar. You see your commute through Google Maps and reminders and more with a voice match, which I set up to Google Assistant. And you can control your smart home devices using this with a single dashboard. You can get answers from Google and helpful videos from YouTube. You can play songs and see your Google Photos album. Over here just shows hands-free help at a glance, just show how it will look like. And so it has a built-in Google Assistant into it, so you don't always have to touch the screen to control it. So you can just use your voice to control it. Over here it just says you can activate it by saying the magic word, which is hey then Google. So these are the simple invocation phrases that you can say to the Google Assistant. Over here, it shows that it can be compatible with the Google Calendar, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Photos, and Spotify, and thousands other service and products. Over here, it just shows a Google Nest Hub. So now let's unbox it and see how it looks like. Alright. Very nice packaging over here. Over here itself, we got the Google Nest Hub. Alright, let's just remove it. Pretty small than I think. I thought it would actually be a little bit bigger. But there's actually a much bigger one, which is called the Google Nest Hub Max. That has a built-in camera and a bigger speaker. So that is much more expensive than this one, and has a bigger screen, of course. Now coming around, taking off this cardboard. Over here we've got some notes. Let's get started. Another notes here, and we've got the power cable here. So I will plug it in and I will then on the device and get ready the Google Home app and show you guys how it's all gonna work. Okay, so I've placed where I want my Google Nest Hub to be. I have already ripped off the packaging and already plugged in the adapter, and now I will show you how to set it up through the Google Home app. And so this is what you are presented with now, a G logo. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks like starting up. Look at the Google Assistant button. Wow, very nice music at the beginning. Really very nice what Google has done. Such a beautiful greeting noise. Okay.
Hi, to get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
Okay, so let's set it up throughout the app. So coming to the Google Home app now, as you can see now over here, there's a word set up the Nest Hub. But if you do not see that word, you can just tap the plus button over here. You can tap set up device, and so you're gonna set up a new device. So this is a new device. Let's just set up here. Okay, next. So it's looking for the devices to be found in the network. So as you can see, my Nest Hub is being found, and the Nest Hub 0585 is the same as what I'm reading in the screen. Just gonna click yes. So it's gonna be connecting to the Nest Hub, and on the Nest Hub here is presenting me a special code. Let's just wait till it's found it. Let's just give it a moment. Now, before getting started, I just want to say that the Google Nest Hub is also a built-in Chromecast, so you can cast your video, your photos to the Nest Hub. And I'm currently placing the Nest Hub in a central location of my house, so everyone can use it. So let's still waiting to connect. So it's connected. Yes, the code is the same. It's H8X8. Yes. Help improve the Google Nest Hub. Yes, I do want to sign up. Where is this device? I would say it's the dining room. Okay, choose the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so it's connecting. On my Nest Hub, it also shows the same type of animations, really like the animations that Google show. And now on my Nest Hub, it shows that it's updating. I'm not sure why it's updating just after releasing of the from the factory. It shouldn't have some update, but maybe it's just update firmware and my Google account. So let's just read through here. So the Google partners are businesses that have a commercial relationship with Google, services and your privacy. You can tap to learn more about it. Guests and your assistants, so let friends and family know their interactions will be stored in your Google account unless they also link your account through family. And you can view those and delete those interactions at your activity. Over here, YouTube recommendations for some displays. Other people who use this device may see your video or music content. So this device have the YouTube TV, YouTube Music app. It can have watch history if I have turned that on. So I'm just going to tap next. So on my Nest Hub, it's showing it's updating to 100%. Okay, so now it's asking for my default music service. So I'm just going to choose Spotify as that's what I'm going to be using. Next, get started with dual voice call. Just going to click continue. Okay, all set. Next, choose a background for your display. I'm just going to choose with art gallery from now. Or you can even choose Google Photos or full screen clock. Just going to click art gallery. Just going to click featured photos, fine art, earth and space, street art, captured on Google Pixel phone. Just going to click everything. Alright, so click continue. And it's just now showing what is the characteristics of the device. So on top here, we've got the ambient EQ sensor, which could detect the lighting in the room. So you can set the brightness to automatically. Over here, the mic mute switch to slide it to back to slide the back to mute the mic for privacy. Over here at the side, this is where you're going to change the volume. Then click done. So yay, our dining room display is now ready. So now let's explore what it can do. As you can see now here, it shows my dining room display. Alright, so now as you can see, I've already set up my dining room display. So I'm just going to tap finish setup. Let's give it a moment to load. I think it should be
Hi,
video.
I'm your Google Assistant, here to help you throughout your day. so you can get started. Let me show you around.
So now I've already tested some features around the Google Nest Hub. Over here, this is basically the main homepage. It shows the time, the weather, and more. Now to see the main page, you're just going to tap. You can see your calendar, what you're doing right now, the weather, other actions, play some music, set alarms and other games. And over here in home control, this is where I can actually control my smart home. So over here, I can control my lights. I can tap here to turn them on, turn that off, adjust the brightness, change the color. Change the color, different colors right here, dozens of them. I like candlelight. I'm going to change it to candlelight. I'm going to just turn it off. And over here, I can see my routines that I've created in the Google Home app. Good morning routine, bedtime routine, I'm home routine, living home routines. So that is how it goes. Let me just show you one example. I'm home routine. Let me test it out.
Hi, welcome home.
Alright, so now it's adjusting the volume.
It's 27 degrees and mostly sunny. Tonight, it's predicted to be 20.
And there you go, it showed me the weather. Let me go back. So that's routines. Over here in cameras, I can see my smart cameras that I've installed. Over here in the smart home camera, it's showing me my garden outdoor camera by IMOU. I'm gonna do a video about that one day soon if I can. I will try to get a second one. Under rooms, I can see the rooms that my devices are in. So as you can see, the dining room displays in the dining room, the bedroom displays in the bedroom. In the bedroom, there's the bedroom lights that I've shown you and the bedroom speaker. Over here in the garden, it showed me the garden camera. In the living room, it showed me the TV, and in the office, it showed me a smart Wi-Fi outlet and the humidifier that I've set it up. And this in my home, the home and away routines here, but they are nothing. I only have to activate them by voice. And under speakers and TV, I can see the groups that I've created in the Google Home app. My Google Home mini speaker, my living room TV. So under the TV, got some smart functionalities there. So you can actually control your Chromecast TV by turning them on and off. If you're playing videos, you can play or pause them, or you can stop casting. Let me go back again. Go back to the living room TV. And over here, you can even control the volume. You can mute it. You can cast by playing any music. And under more, you can see there are the different HTML channels that I can turn them on. So really very cool. I'm really very impressed. I've actually never seen this before until I got the Google Nest Hub display. So really very good. Under media, it shows what I'm playing. Just now I was playing the smart home camera. Over here, it shows that Netflix is now available. So I'll be doing a YouTube Shorts video on how you manage to see Netflix on the Google Nest Hub display. Under YouTube, you can show me some recommended YouTube videos. So I've got some videos from Tech with Brad, Chick Called Albert, Mark Robert. Those are my favorite YouTubers. Over here, I have Spotify, because I've chosen Spotify as my default music provider, so it'll show me some recommended music for me. And over here, it's just show me some news, top story news. Under communicate, over here under communicate, that's where you get to do video calls voice calls using Google Duo. And under family, over here you got a new feature which I want to show you guys. Leave a family note.
What should it say?
We're out of milk.
Okay, done.
Alright, so now if I go back here, as you can see that the note is there. I can dismiss it. Over here, that's actually a new feature by Google. And then the family, you got more. You can keep track your family day by adding a family bell. See where your family members are located. Animal of the day. Now this is really fun. It can tell you different types of animals every day. Over here, you can ask Google to tell me a story. And under Discover, it will show me recommended actions for me to try, some recipes, interpreter, and more. Find my phone. So let me show you guys under discover. Over here they've got a small little clock feature over here. Going up there, I can see the settings, see the about device, the name. I can change the display to light, dark, or auto mode, but I like it in light mode. I can choose what photo frame, art gallery. It's currently in art gallery, but I can ask Google to change it. Let me go back again. Why is it showing me there? The Wi-Fi network, send a feedback, and others, regular labels, and others as well. And over here, I can adjust the volumes directly from here. Here it's very loud. Over here I can adjust the brightness, but I'm on auto brightness. So that is for the Google Nest Hub, what I'm going to be reviewing today. I do really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the like button and remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.